So I'm planning to go on a short road trip, and I need to figure out which one of these is coming with me in here.
The Small Bag Challenge. Stop overpacking.
So this video is kind of sort of a what's in my bag type, but it's more of a what should I take in my bag. This is a K&F Concept sling bag. I got it off Amazon. It's about 12 liters in size and capacity. It can hold a camera body and 2 or 3 lenses very comfortably, and it also has plenty of pockets to put accessories and batteries and whatnot. Since I'm going to a metropolitan area, I'm not sure exactly what I'll be encountering, so it's best to be prepared for a variety of shooting scenarios. There's even a potential for wildlife photography out there. So you don't want to be caught flat-footed with the wrong lenses or wrong equipment or something you forgot. So it's best to think about these things ahead of time, and that way you won't miss the shot. I guess the only way to figure out what I'm going to take with is use the process of elimination. So I have my bag right here. Let's start with the camera bodies. The R50, the R7. I'm going to take the R7 every time. I love this camera still, but this beats it hands down, technically. So that is definitely in the bag. Next up, we have our kit lens. This is the 18-45. It's very limited in its capabilities. The two primes, the 16 millimeter and the 50 millimeter STMs. Great lenses, but for this case, I don't think I'm going to be able to use them. It's just going to be too impractical to not have a zoom where we're going. Here is the 55-210. This is my first telephoto. I have an extensive look at it. Here's on another video. So I have better options available. So this is definitely staying home. The Tamron 11-20. It's a great lens, very lightweight, and it covers the low end. It'll allow for good wide shots, wide landscape, for example. Some dark photos, actually, night sky, whatever. So this is very flexible. I can use this. That is definitely going in the bag. First one in the bag. Here is the 24-105 STM version. I think it's STM. But next to it is its older brother, bigger brother, the f4 L lens. It's heavier, bulkier, but it's worth it. It's far superior over this one. Although this is a good lens too. It's pretty decent, but I'm gonna take this one. I take this one every time. Definitely in the bag. The Sigma 17-40 is a great medium telephoto lens. It's a 1.8, I believe. Fantastic lens, but I already have a 105 in there, so this will cover me. It's heavy, it's made out of metal, so I think that's just not gonna fit well in the bag. Of course, the 100-400. Love this lens. I have a great video on that as well. Check that out. Yeah, there's no question. Hands down, that's coming with. It's light, it fits in the bag, no problem. That way I'll have coverage from 11 to 400 millimeters. The 200-800, I'm sorry, buddy, you're just not gonna come with. It's just too heavy, too bulky. It's gonna sit in the car all weekend, guaranteed. Sit in its case and just roll around in the back. And I don't like that idea. Plus, if I don't bring it, then all the animals will show up if there's any. So there you have it. Well, I think this pretty much covers it. It's a short and sweet video. Everything's packed up, ready to go. It's fairly lightweight. I am ready to hit the road. So let me know in the comments what you think. If you enjoyed watching this video or any of my other videos, please make sure you like and subscribe. I'll be sure to respond to every one of you. As always, I'll see you later. Oh, buddy. I know, I told you, but you're just not coming with, all right? You just gonna have to wait this one out. I promise I'll take you with next time.